us try to bring about the following conversions. Write the chemical reactions to bring about the following transformations. Here we are going to discuss in this video lesson how to convert one particular compound into another particular compound from the concept of carboxylic acid. Now, if you have watched all my videos on the general methods of obtaining carboxylic acid, then here are a few questions to test your understanding. Now, let us go with the question. Look at the question. What is being asked? Butan 1-ol is our starting material. It has to be converted to butanoic acid. See, once you get a question, give some time to understand the question, analyze what is being asked, and then think how we should proceed further ahead. Now, what is being given to us? They have given us an alcohol, and this alcohol has to be converted into a carboxylic acid. Now, look at the number of carbon atoms given in the starting material. Alcohol, but, so that means 4 carbon atom, and it is saturated because it is having the suffix as "an", so therefore it should be a butane. The E of the butane is replaced by OL, that means it is a saturated alcohol containing 4 carbon atoms in it. Now this has to be converted into again butane, that means no change in the number of carbon atoms, point number 1, and we need not have to convert the alkane into alkene or alkyne for that matter. We just need to retain the alkane as such. The name is giving us this particular information. What we need to do is the alcohol OH has to be converted into OIC acid. That means into COOH, that is the carboxylic acid. So butan 1-ol is a primary alcohol, and it has to be converted into corresponding carboxylic acid. So what is the best method for us to convert a primary alcohol into a carboxylic acid? If you have learnt the previous videos, you will be in a correct position to answer this question. Yes, we have to carry out the process of oxidation. It's a simple oxidation process. So first let us write the complete molecular formula of the butanol: CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2. So that completes our butane, and then OH. The last should be ending with CH3 for a butane. Now instead of that, what has happened? One hydrogen is replaced by a OH. So therefore this carbon atom would be having only 2 hydrogen linkage to it, and then in the end it will be linked by a OH group. So therefore, what is the name of this compound? This will be the first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, and fourth carbon. Why is this the first carbon? Because it is attached to the functional group, the hydroxyl group or the OH. So what is the name of this compound? It is butan 1-ol, or else you can also call it as butanol. And then what has to be done to this? Think, you have to convert alcohol into its carboxylic acid having the same number of carbon atoms. So let me just write that product also: CH3, CH2, CH2, then this should become COOH as per the question that has been asked. So think now, this is our starting material, this is the product required to us. So what can be done to this so that we will be able to convert this butanol into butanoic acid? What is to be removed? What has to be put? This is the point of our focus to be done. The removal point is we need to remove this 2 hydrogen and in that place we need to add an oxygen. Now how to remove this dihydrogen? It can be removed provided we give an oxygen to it, it will go out as water. That means we need to subject it to the process of oxidation. Here 2 steps of oxidation is happening. One is removal of hydrogen, one more is addition of oxygen. So we need to make use of oxidizing agent. The most suitable one being chromium trioxide in an acid media. Chromium trioxide in an acid media is called Jones reagent. Jones reagent. So it is giving away the nascent oxygen. What happens now? This dihydrogen will take 1 oxygen, goes out as water. In that place, 1 oxygen takes a linkage with the carbon by means of double covalent bond. So therefore, we obtain butanoic acid along with formation of water. So what is the process involved? What is the name of the chemical reaction involved? We need to carry out the process of oxidation. So what should be your answer? Written as butanol, butan-1-ol can be converted into butanoic acid by subjecting butanol to the process of oxidation by making use of a oxidizing agent like Jones reagent. What is the composition of Jones reagent? Chromium trioxide in an acid media, so that we will be able to convert butanol into butanoic acid. Next video we will discuss about few more methods of conversions which are usually based on the general methods of preparation. Watch all of these videos. Therefore, your understanding about the general methods of preparation of carboxylic acid will be done in a much deeper manner.